Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2018 Seat Leon. Any screen, we go to the home button there. We want nav, so that's third one along there, navigation. Now, if you look at this now, the menu, it doesn't always come up on that screen. If I click back, there's a possibility it's going to come up on that screen, but if you just watch it for a second, the menu disappears. So you're just left with your screen and wondering what to do and how to set it. But touch the screen, new destination. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston. If we click on the city here, and you'll see postcode, click on postcode. This is the easiest way to enter it. It's on digits at the moment, numerals. We want it on the alphabet. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We now need to go to numbers, 5, 4, back to the alphabet, E, A, PR5, 4EA, Preston, Lancashire, click on that. That's it. Click start.
Please select a route.
So those are 3 routes it gives you, the fastest and so on. And we'll select that one. Sorry, my big fat fingers.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
We're sat on the forecourt, so it's not going to find us. But that's how you do that.